Okay, your final assignment for this week and for every week will be to write a blog post on our WordPress site. I just sent each of you an invitation to join our WordPress site, and I have paid some money. It's not very much, but I paid some money to host the site, but you can join for free. You can have your own account, and you can, if you want, create your own website and pay for that. But you can join for free. And you're going to need to do that. And then you can become part of our website. I've given each of you the status of author so that you can post to our website and add links and things like that. If you run into any problems with your access level, let me know, because I can bump you up to editor as well. But I think the author, if I understand their new categories because they've changed things around a little bit from last year. I think authors should give you more than enough power to do what I'm asking you to do. But if not, let me know and I can change your guys' roles. So once you've joined the website, you should be taken to our page specifically, our blog specifically, which I've given the very exciting title of English 231 Fall 18. If, as we move along, you guys come up with a better title for it, let me know and we can change it. This is going to be your website, and you can move around in here and do what you want to do with it. You'll notice that when you log in, that you will have up here on the navigation, the top navigation bar, my sites, which I have lots of websites underneath here, but specifically we're going to be focused on English 231 Fall 18 here. And you can come down here anytime you want and view the site if you want to get away from this page. But from here you can see, you might not have all the access that I have, but because I have the role of administrator. But I can see the stats of the page, so I can see who's been on it and how frequently they've been on it, what they've been doing. To verify anytime you come to me and you're like, I was on the website and it didn't work, I can go back and look and say, oh yeah, you were on the website. I'm sorry it didn't work. But this is what you're going to be interested in down here. First of all, we have site pages and we have blog posts. For each week, I'm going to create a blog post for all of us to attach our site pages underneath. This is really important. You're not going to want to create blog posts because those function a little bit differently than site pages. The blog posts are going to keep us organized. There's going to be one blog post for each week, and under each week, each one of you are going to create one site page and then link that to that week's blog post. For this week, our blog post is English 231, Who Are We? And if you keep scrolling down, you'll see that it says, thanks for joining our English 231 Fall 18 site. And then there's a quote from Isaac Washington that says, good company and a journey makes the way seem shorter. And that's just a short quotation to set up the fact that this class is online, but hopefully we'll get to know each other over the course of the semester. And if we can see pictures of each other's face and learn a little bit about each other, that will really help us create a sense of community, even though we're separated by time and space, because we have this technology, this online technology, that we're able to hold a class that doesn't actually meet physically in person. So what I want you to do is to type your name below, alphabetized by last name, and add the link to your bio page. So what you're going to do is there's a couple of steps. You'll see here I've already created my bio page, and if you hover over my name, you can see that it's a link. And if you click on it, you can come here, and I've typed my name up on top. I've added a picture of myself and a little bio of me about what I've been up to professionally, and also a little bit about me, that I'm the mom of 2 crazy kids. And in my spare time, I like to do yoga, cook, read novels, and cross-stitch. Yes, I am a professor. So what you're going to do in order to get a page for yourself is to come back here, and by site pages, you're going to click Add. Okay? And when you click Add, you're going to be taken to this page that says Title. You're going to type in your name. Type in your real name. And then when you scroll down here, you're going to see a really easy interface. This looks just like any sort of interface that you use in Word or Excel, where you can add content, you can choose your style. Do you want headings or whatever? We're going to stick with paragraph. Do you want to bold some text? Do you want to italicize some text? Do you want to create a bulleted list? Do you want to create a numbered list? Or do you want to add or insert a link? If you maximize this page, you'll be given additional options, but that's all we're going to deal with for right now. You can also view this in HTML, and we'll be doing more with that later in the semester as we go forward. But right now, stay on the Visual tab. And so what you're going to do first of all is you're going to click Add, and you're going to choose Add Media. And then that should take you to your own images that you can add. You can come up here and say that you want to add images from your WordPress library or photos from your Google library or from the free photo library. And let's see here. I already had uploaded my headshot here, so I added that. And let's see here, or you can add new. There we go, and that will take you to your own files. These are all the headshots I've amassed over the years, and I chose this one, which is my newest, most favorite. But anyway, so that became part of my library, so I'm going to click that, I'm going to hit Insert. And then it just inserts your picture in here. And then you can come down here, oops, sorry. Go back. Hold on. You can see now that my cursor is blinking here on the right side of my image. I hit return, and now my cursor is down below, and you can type in the information about yourself. You can add additional pictures. You can add whatever kind of information you want. Make it personal to you. You know, the kind of information that you want your professor and your classmates to know about you. Do make sure that your picture is actually of you. Please do not add a picture of your favorite celebrity. Even if you love LeBron James or Selena Gomez, you are not either of those people. I don't believe LeBron James or Selena Gomez is taking this class. So do upload a picture of yourself that you like, so that we know something about what you look like. And that will really help us to create visual images of each other when we're talking online. So when you've got the image up that you like and you've got the information down here that you like, you can hit Publish. Now, and then you have to say, do you want to publish immediately or do you want to publish later? We want to publish it immediately. So you hit Publish again. You have to hit Publish twice. And then when you do that, you actually are given a URL for your page. You'll see that up here there is a little box with an arrow that says View Page, and you'll click that, and this will take you to the actual page. And this is important because this page is kind of hidden. It doesn't just show up on the blog. And what you'll come up here is, you'll find up here at the top, I'm going to move the screen. You find up here in the URL, the URL to your page, which is hidden. I cannot stress that enough. It is hidden. No one will see this unless you copy this URL, which I'm going to do right now, and then go back to the front page of our website, which is English 231. I just hit that and took me back to the home page. And if you come here and then hit Home, and scroll down here, you'll see here it says Edit, and you'll click Edit. And then you'll scroll down underneath down here. I'm going to move the frame down. And you'll be able to type in on the list your name. Now you're going to want to alphabetize this by last name. So if your last name is, say, Porter, so your name is Jake Porter, you would put it after my name. If your name is Jane Carter, you would put it before my name. And then you highlight your name, you click Insert Edit Link, which you've already copied the URL to your page, you paste it here, and then you hit, I'm going to move the screen down, you hit Add Link. and you're going to say we want to add it to English 2 or 3, who are we, which is a post. So the pages are hidden until you add them to a post. And then you hit add link, and then it's there. So if we go now, I'm going to move the screen again up here, click update, and then the link should be working. Jane Carter here. I can't link to it right now because I haven't visited the post, but I'm going to do that now. I'm going to visit the post, and I can scroll down. Jane Carter has a link to, oops, my link is wrong. I'm going to have to fix this. Hold on. Okay, I figured out what I did wrong is I didn't hit update twice. So I'm going to hit edit again, and see Jane Carter is there. I'm going to hit update. And then, okay, and then close. Let's see here. Did it save? It did. But I'm back on update. This is confusing. I don't know why it's not saving. Hold on just a second. Okay, well, I hit update again and it worked. So you just have to really double check your work. This is what I'm just going to emphasize here. And now the Jane Carter link is here. And when I click it, when I clicked it, it kept leading us to the 231 Who Are We page. And that's because I had done this. And that was an accident. I want to link to existing contact, which is your name. And that's the your name page. My mistake. Again, always double check your work. And then if it's not working correctly, go back and check it again. So your name was the page that we had the URL to. And that's linked to the text Jane Carter. You can see this here. You should also click this link, open link in a new window or tab. That will help your user immensely, not get them confused. Hit save, hit update, and then we're going to close, and we're going to visit the post. Come down here to Jane Carter, and here we go. We come to the your name page, which I've just made up, and I will delete immediately. But now you should have a good idea of how this works. If you have any questions, post them to the forum on our Moodle site. I will show you where that is. Again, just in case you have forgotten, we're loading the Moodle site. And it is right here. Ask all class-related questions here. Okay, so you guys have been using this. I appreciate it. Keep using it. It's great. If you have a question, somebody else in the class has a question too, so post them there. Happy posting.